Hello, right now, we are going to go over basic OPUS programming. The OPUS control is the name of the control board on all NABCO doors. In the new updated manual, there are boxes next to certain settings. This box indicates that the setting is locked, and the passcode is needed to unlock and make any changes. This is what the OPUS control looks like. It has a digital screen that can display a variety of information, settings, and parameters. Diagonal to the screen, near the green terminal blocks, there is a black dial. This dial will be used to make selections, as well as rotate through different screens or setting options. The dial can be rotated, both clockwise and counterclockwise, and can also be pushed to be used as a button, which is called a brief push, or you can press and hold the dial for 2 seconds, which we will call long push. Upon startup, this is the main screen, and it gives you information that will help troubleshoot some issues that you may be having with your door. If power is on and the screen is dark, just give the dial a brief push and it will turn on. If you rotate the dial to the right, the next screen will show you the date of manufacture and revision of the control. On revision 32, this will be displayed on all screens before going into the settings categories. If you rotate the dial to the right, again, it will display the ANSI spec screen. If you rotate right one more time, it will show you the terminals. The ones that are highlighted show you which terminals are active. This screen is also helpful during troubleshooting as the main screen does not show some of the inputs and output terminals. If you rotate right one more time, you will return to the main screen. Now, we will show how to do a factory reset. From the main screen, you will give the dial a long 2-second push. At the next screen, you will see Go to Setting menu, highlighted. Rotate clockwise until it reads Reset to Default Set, and give the dial a brief push. The next screen will prompt you to enter the passcode 0045. A brief push will select the number and rotating the dial will change it. After you enter this correctly, the OPUS will display Correct Passcode. Now give the dial a long 2-second push to return to the main screen. Every setting, except for the base settings, which contain operator type, door hand, etc., are now cleared out and are back to default settings. Now, we are going to go over how to navigate through the settings menu. From the main screen, you will give the black dial a long 2-second push. At the next screen, Go to Setting menu will be highlighted. Give the dial a brief push. The settings category should now be displayed. Rotate the dial to the desired category, and give the dial a brief push. Once in the setting category you have selected, rotate the dial to cycle through the parameters, until the desired parameter is found. Then give the dial a brief push. The cursor should drop down and begin flashing the previously chosen selection. Rotate the dial to the desired parameter and give the dial a brief push to select it. The cursor should go back up to the parameter. If more settings are to be changed within a selected category, continue rotating through the parameters until all changes are made. Give the dial a long 2-second push to return to the settings category screen. At this point, another category can be selected. Once all parameters have been changed, a long 2-second push from the setting category screen will return the control to the home screen. No changed settings or parameters will be saved, unless you return to the home screen. If the screen times out and goes dark, you will have to rechange the settings, as the settings have been cleared, because the control was not returned to the home screen. If you need any further assistance or have questions, please reach out to NABCO Technical Service. 877-622-2694 option 3. Thank you for watching.